Alright guys, so I actually started on a project for this week. I guess my wife's been writing, or my daughter's been writing stuff on my shavings. I started on a project, and then yesterday, a buddy of mine who has a YouTube channel, You Couldn't See Me, he called he said he got some hand saws he wanted me to check out and see what they were worth because he was planning on reselling them. And so I went to check them out, and it was these two saws here. And actually, this is one I've been looking for a long time. It's a really old Disston with the lamb's tongue handle. And also, coincidentally, earlier that day, Adam Lynch on his channel had talked about saw nibs, and I had commented on the video and said that I'd never come across one with a nib before. And then later that day, this saw landed in my lap, and it did have a nib on it at one point. Right here, I don't know if you probably can't see that, but it had a nib. It's been broke off, but this is the first saw I've ever come across that was, that did have a nib. So I think, now this one isn't as old and has been used a lot more, and also has been really badly sharpened before. I don't even understand what's going on with this. It's got like, I mean, that needs to be completely reground or refiled down flat, because none of these teeth are even. But also the handle, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the handle's busted right here. And I'm pretty sure that this medallion is broke. It looks to me like the centerpiece is actually separated from the rest of the medallion. So this one it's going to take a lot more work to get it looking nice or get it functioning again. And I'll end up having to make a whole new handle, and I'll try to find a new medallion that's not broke. But I don't know, that might be kind of challenging to do. But this one, I think I'm going to restore this one today. I'll just take the handle off, clean up these these pins in this medallion, kind of lightly sand the panel, and then sharpen the teeth. They're all there, but it'll be kind of probably a quick, short video. It does have like some red paint on it too, which I won't even bother taking off. I'll just leave that there, and it definitely needs some oiling. You can see the wood is trying to split in a couple places, but once it soaks up some oil and has the teeth sharpened, it'll be ready to go back to work after, 150 years.